Hi, champions in real estate. In today's episode, let me ask you this question. How would you estimate the true values of real estate properties? In this video, I will share with you a very simple way of finding the true price of each and every property that you market. Let me explain to you why it is very useful to know the true price. But let me do that at the end of this video. Okay, so we will proceed with how to determine property values. What is the method? Or do you have a formula of finding out the true value of a property? Now, for this episode, we will focus on house and lot. Okay. We will consider a lot of factors, such as location, where it is specifically located, and the market. You have to determine what's in the market, what's being sold in the nearby properties available. You have to know that. And then the age of the house. I will have to explain to you later on how will this be computed so that it can have an impact on the price. The condition of the property. Does it have to be repaired or is it in good condition? What are the improvements that have been made? And then the neighborhood. Is it class A, class B, class C? So these are just generalities, but we will have to go into specifics. What is that formula or method in computing the true price of the property? And this is the method. Separate the house and the land. The estimated cost of the lot depends on location, the kind of improvement, the class of subdivision, whether A, B, or C, and the features of the specific properties, such as the view, and is it corner lot, and so on and so forth. So you have to estimate the cost of the lot. Then you also have to estimate the cost of the building. The general accepted price based on experience is 25,000 per square meter for low cost and 40,000 per square meter for middle housing and 60,000 and above for high end. That is as of this year, 2021. But this is not absolute. You just have to compare prices in the present situation. Perhaps you are going to ask for a quotation from a contractor. Okay, so this is just an estimate of the cost of building a house brand new. Then after knowing this cost, you have separated the house and the land. Let us consider a specific property. Now this time we will have to check or find out the true price of La Aldea del Mar, Pueblo de Oro, Babag 2, Lapu-Lapu City. This is a low-cost housing. The lot area in La Aldea del Mar is 40 square meters. The floor area is about 45 square meters. What is again our formula or method? Separate the house from the lot. Now, 40 square meters times 15,000. Where did I get the 15,000? This is just an estimate of the price of the lot, although there is no available lot only for sale in the area. But this is just an estimate because some lots there are being sold even at 17,000 plus. And since this is a low cost subdivision, it could be lower, but not too low because the lots only for sale there are rare. So 40 square meters times 15,000 equals 600,000. The floor area is 45. Based on our analysis a while ago, the low-cost housing is 25,000 per square meter of floor area. So if you are going to multiply 45 times 25,000, that is 1,125,000. So the total price is 1,725,000. Since this is a developer, they usually add VAT, which is 12%. And they offer all in, meaning the title will have to be transferred to the buyer's name, which is part of the price. So probably there is a cost of titling there. So that would probably be 2 million, more or less. So you can see the price being offered there in La Aldea del Mar is just about 2 million, more or less. Now, if the house is 5 years old, for example, you have to determine the depreciation cost. In determining the depreciation cost, you have to assume that the value is zero in 50 years. And so, the depreciation cost is 2,016,000, which is the price, divided by 50 years, that will be 40,320 pesos per year. And this is the cost of depreciation. So in 5 years, you have to multiply 5 times 40,320. That's 201,600 pesos depreciation cost. You deduct that from the price, which is 2,016,000. And so the value of the house is 1,814,000. Next is, we will have to consider the middle. But sometimes you might say that this is high-end because of the price. But actually, a money model in Almia is middle and subdivision. Especially, it is 3-bedroom and it is duplex. So it shouldn't be high-end. But let me explain later how the property would appear. The lot area is 89 square meters. Now, 25,000 is the estimated price of the lot. Although there is no available lot only for sale there. But since this is Mandawi and the lot in Mandawi is now becoming very, very rare. So I just peg it at 25,000 times 89 equals 2,225,000. Now the floor area is 83 of Amani model in Almia times 60,000. Practically that's high end. Okay, that price is high end, equals 4,980,000. You have to add the two. Total price is 7,205,000. Again, 12% VAT, that's 8,069,600. So you can see that the price is about 8 million, which is also the price that the developer is offering, more or less. But again, this seems to be higher than expected. Why? Because a money model in Almia, even Almia itself, is not a high end. But you can see that the price there is really as if it is high end. But since there is no more house and lot available in Mandawi for now, they can set that price. Anyway, it still can be sold. Okay? Now, there are three benefits of knowing the value of each and every property. And what are these benefits? Number one, you can produce more sales because you believe that this price is reasonable. And because it is reasonable, you can convince the buyer to buy your property that you are offering. And then you can convince the seller to adjust the price if it is too high. Now, you cannot just tell him to adjust the price way below the reasonable limit. What you can do is to show him that you have a formula. You have a way of determining the price so that he will trust you. And perhaps he will be convinced to lower the price offer. And third benefit is you can prioritize. If the property is too high and you believe based on your computation that it is quite expensive or more expensive than you expected, then you can prioritize on properties that you believe is more reasonably priced. And therefore, you can focus on saleable projects. Okay, so these are the three benefits of knowing the value of properties. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. If you are new to this channel, you may want to subscribe and you will be updated with more exciting videos like this. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And happy selling, everyone. Bye-bye.